Dope them. That's right. I for met this girl from all over. Want it to love ya. Them want do it undercover. Me no care anyway you want it, or you will get the love ya. Yeah. Girl text she want somebody. Lonely and she need company. WhatsApp text make she honey. Say she want link up shortly. Show for to the location. Me grab about 3,000. Me smoke about 10 jet on. Me text her. Home alone she there. And she naughty by nature, yeah. And Annie came in not so ready. Fi jump out from the street right away. And when me go deep in she wet. Like gamble, me stick the deck. Poker, she can't forget. Same time me a shuffle up the yes. Girl text she want somebody. Lonely and she need company. WhatsApp text make she honey. Say she want link up shortly. Show for to the location. Me grab about 3,000. Me smoke about 10 jet on. Me text her. Me love gal we build me vibe. And no afraid fi do the thing me like. And before me think me get surprised, gal pull me belt look in me eyes. She circle it over with the ring. Gal climb the rope me make she swing. Intelli she erratic pant rhythm. Energetic hypnotic yoga thing. Text come in. Gal text she want somebody. Loan. That's right.
Hey ladies, please to text me if you really want somebody. G Loyyal, ladies, give it up for G Loyyal, the man if you don't like him. What the same, excited? Hey, we started right now for the female judges right now. You know what I mean? Lady Tash, what you think about his performance? Him got tongue ring, him say some subby live song. Him a go on, him excited?
Alright. I really think you bring the energy, right? But I think when I'm really listening, I think that you weren't really inclined with the rhythm, you know, at some point in time, but you hold your composure still. You understand me? For come on the stage is not an easy thing. Respect my you. Go on the road.
Alright, so you hear it right now. Make sure you take that words of advice. You know what I mean? Alright, so Nero, get yourself active, my boss.
Yeah, overs.
Yeah.
Outside like all the time. Big up
Harrowing.
So for me, it's the same thing because you utilize the stage. You never stutter with lyrics. You're confident. So we'll have to see in the next talent show. So you go for me. You know what I mean?
Alright, G Loyyal represent Portmore. Big it, my boss.